Why every home cook should know. Alabama pecans are more than just a snack. Alabama isn't just known for its mouth-watering lame cake or its 100-year-old Thanksgiving tradition at Bates House Restaurant. It's also the heart of America's premier pecan-growing region. These nuts, which are the only major nut tree native to North America, are a treasure trove of flavor and nutrition. While most people grab a bag of pecans from the grocery store without hesitation, they're missing out on one of Alabama's most underrated culinary secrets, the fresh, hand-harvested pecans grown in the state's sprawling 9,000-acre orchards. These aren't just any nuts. They're a product of the land itself, harvested at peak ripeness and packed with natural oils and buttery sweetness. The science behind the flavor. One of the biggest differences between Alabama pecans and their mass-produced counterparts lies in genetics. Alabama's pecan varieties like Elliott, Desirable, Gafford, McMillan, and Amling have been bred specifically for the state's unique soil and climate. This genetic selection results in nuts that taste richer, have higher oil content, and hold up better during storage. Plus, these trees are largely scab-resistant, meaning they're less prone to disease outbreaks. As a result, local processors can focus on quality rather than battling pests, ensuring that every nut is as fresh and flavorful as possible. Harvest timing, the secret to perfect pecans. Another critical factor is harvesting time. Companies like Priester's Pecans shell over 2 million pounds of pecans annually, prioritizing the best nuts. The natural oils in these nuts are at their prime. The nut meats retain their creamy, sweet, and buttery flavors, and they stay crisp instead of becoming stale. What's surprising is that despite these advantages, Alabama pecans are often more affordable than you'd expect. Local producers only pay 2 to 3 cents per pound to the USDA for promotion and research funding, a fraction of what national brands spend on marketing. This makes buying locally not just sustainable, but also cost-effective. A fresh connection to the land. Organizations like Sweet Grown Alabama have made it easier for consumers to access the freshest pecans during October to December's harvest season by connecting buyers directly with growers. This initiative ensures that pecans are picked at peak ripeness, not stored for weeks in warehouses that develop off flavors and lose nutritional value. When you buy an Alabama pecan, you're not just purchasing a snack. You're getting a piece of the land itself. These nuts are literally on the tree, not in a box, and they carry the same rich, earthy flavor that defines the state's culinary identity. Elevate your kitchen. Whether you're making homemade candied pecans, https:/www.chowhound.com/1903341/how-make-candied-pecans. Alabama pecans are a game changer. Their superior quality means your dishes will shine brighter with a depth of flavor that's hard to replicate. So next time you reach for a bag of pecans, take a moment to appreciate the journey they've traveled from the orchard to your kitchen and consider supporting local agriculture with every bite.